Hey everybody! If you're having a very bad internet connection and you're trying to reset your network settings, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the video. Now, once you are here, you may start by going to your settings of your device, and once you access the settings, you may scroll down from the following options available and go to the section for general management. So the settings may vary, find general management and tap on it. And then basically look out for the reset option directly. You may scroll down, find the option for reset and go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you will be finding an option called reset network settings at the second option. So you just need to head over and find that settings, tap on it. And then you can tap on this option called reset settings and just go over and confirm it up. You need to provide in your security pin and everything, and that will reset all the network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth connection. And once you do so, you may need to connect to the Wi-Fi if you're connected to Wi-Fi, because it will erase everything and even refresh your entire network system. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow the step for that, which is pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.